A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. Masquera say. So I'm glad that I'm back so that we can talk about important matters. Prophet Makandiwa said something very, very important, and I don't want to waste much of your time. Let us get straight to the point, then we get to the discussion.
Munhu ane ropa hazvina mhosva manga muchiita maelections kwenyu kutsvaga MP usina kusati wavhotera MP endai munotarisa kunogara mubereki wake kana akatadza vanhu 2 mbuya nasekuru ochengeta constituency hakuna ngonovhota manimi munhu iyeye wakatotukwa kare. He will bring that personal case and make it a constituency case. All of you will go down the drain. Akatukwa kudara.
Anounza kutukwa ikoko mudunhu raanenge akuzotungamira.
Vabereki vako vari kupi?
Where are your parents?
Sati nyepere parali apo.
Don't lie to us.
Chakati. Hande kumusha tonoona panogara baba namai vakakuzvara.
Let's go to your rural home and we see where your biological parents.
Unoda kuvhoterwa neni iwo wakambovavhotera here vabereki vako?
You are looking for votes, but did you vote for your parents?
Chengeta mubereki wako, chengeta baba vako, chengeta mai vako.
Look after your.
That is your first constituency.
Dunhu rekutanga iroro.
So honestly, Team Zimbabwe, I agree with some of his sentiments. Kuti chengeta mubereki wako. Make sure that you satisfy your own parents before you go out there to satisfy others, because the word says charity begins at home, and that is what is very important. But honestly speaking, I believe kuti sometimes I may want to be an MP, I may want to be a councillor, but I'm coming from a very, very poor family. But I believe that I have the ideas which can tackle developmental issues. That is what is very important. He missed that point, that there are poor people who can also be leaders. There are poor people who can also make good leaders and bring development because they know their problems. They know what they've been going through for a very long time. Secondly, he missed another important aspect. That aspect of when you're a councillor, when you're an MP, you don't develop from your pocket. You develop from government coffers. That is what is very important, because so if I don't have money to take care of my parents, and I'm feeling it right now, I'm compelled to go and contest so that we remove ZANU-PF and we make things better, or we make things look great. So what is very important is not what I did about my parents, it's what I think about doing for my parents. That is what is very important. My intentions are very important here. Am I intending to take care of my family? Am I intending to take care of my father? I might not build my father a home, but ndichivatengera matennis. And some people might not see it and might not appreciate it because vanenge vakavakira vabereki vavo dzimba. Kusiyana kwenhamo dzedu nemalevels edu. That is point number 1. Point number 2, the government coffers, they come. Development is done by local authority, council, or by the government. So that one, you missed that point as well. This is the reason why we say a lot of people who are influencers are living in fantasies, and they have forgotten the poor people, they've forgotten the poor constituency, and they believe that if you are poor, you cannot represent. If you are poor, you cannot do something extraordinary, or you cannot take care of the constituents of the community you come from. I don't know, but I've given you my thoughts and my take regarding what he said. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. What do you think about what Prophet Makandiwa said? In the comment section, please let us have a discussion. Let us talk about this issue. Zvinoita here ndisina cash kuti ndinzi ninanzi kugona kuchengeta vabereki vangu, so I cannot be a representative wevanhu. Zviri fair? I don't know. Please, in the comment section, tell us. Munhu ane 21 years anenge aitei chekuitira vabereki vake. Constitution inomuudza kuti can contest as a councillor, as an MP, but aitirei vabereki vake at 21 years. Ashanda kupi? That is what is very important at this moment, because ane 21 years azhinji achirotochengetwa navabereki. So can't he be a leader? Then we have vanhu vane time vachishanda, corporate leaders, vanhu who are established, vari kutadzawo kuzviita. Yes, I agree with him on that note. If you are able, une mari, une zvese, and you are failing to do it for your parents, you are wrong. You have to do it whether you want to contest or not. You have to do it because it's your responsibility, it's your role. Kana wakura chichengetawo vabereki. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. Let us meet in other episodes and other programs. Thank you very much for coming. My name is Ronald Ukumakushi.